BMW X5 2025. BMW X5 draws attention with its performance, luxury, and technology in the premium SUV class. Engine options: 3.0-liter. Turbo 6-cylinder engine offers 375 horsepower, while 4.4-liter V8 engine produces 523 horsepower. The hybrid model provides a fully electric range of 80 kilometers with 483 horsepower. Performance M50i model reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Interior and comfort: high-quality leather upholstery, wood details, large panoramic roof and luggage volume that can be expanded up to 1,870 liters provide a spacious area. Safety: equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic parking system, and BMW's latest safety technologies. Price: the X5 starts at $67,500. Mercedes G580 2025. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine offers 483 horsepower and 700 newton-meters torque. It completes 0 to 100 kilometers per hour acceleration in 5.3 seconds by combining with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Design: a modern look has been achieved with the iconic G-Class lines. 20-inch alloy wheels, LED light design, and hard lines offer a strong image. Interior: luxurious Napa leather upholstery, 12.3-inch digital screens, Burmester sound system, and 4-zone automatic air conditioning provide high-level comfort. Technology and safety: the MBUX system offers augmented reality navigation and advanced voice commands. It also has safety features such as adaptive cruise control, active lane tracking system, and 360-degree camera. Off-road capability: it has permanent 4-wheel drive, 3 locking differentials, and a low speed range, and performs well in difficult off-road conditions. Starting price is around $150,000. Cadillac Escalade 2025. The 6.2-liter V8 engine produces 420 horsepower and 624 newton-meters of torque. It offers a smooth ride with its 10-speed automatic transmission. The optional 3.0-liter diesel engine offers more fuel economy and torquey options. Escalade has a powerful and impressive structure. Vertical LED headlights, massive 22-inch rims, and grille bring luxury and majesty together. It offers a modern look with aerodynamic touches. Interior: Escalade is equipped with elegant designs and advanced technology. Craftsmanship leather seats, 38-inch integrated OLED screen, 36-speaker AKG sound system, and spacious interior are a combination of luxury and comfort. Entertainment screens are also available for the rear seats. The new Super Cruise system draws attention with its oar-free driving technology. It is equipped with high-level safety features such as 360-degree camera, collision prevention system, night vision, and lane tracking. Escalade comes with 4-wheel drive and adaptive air temperature, which can sustain difficult roads. The off-road package provides more durability and off-road performance. Cadillac Escalade 2025 is an ideal SUV for those who want luxury, technology, and power together. It will be the favorite of those looking for prestige in the city and performance on the road. Starting price is around $150,000. Porsche Cayenne 2025. The 3.0-liter turbo V6 engine produces 348 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque, providing a smooth ride. The Cayenne S model offers 468 horsepower with its 4.0-liter V8 engine. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides both sporty and comfortable driving. The sporty exterior design has been modernized with Porsche's iconic lines. It offers a powerful and elegant appearance with LED matrix headlights, large air intakes, and 21-inch alloy wheels. Cayenne combines quality and comfort. It offers a high-level driving experience with leather upholstery, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, panoramic glass roof, and Bose sound system. The rear seats offer ample space and heated options. The new generation Porsche Communication Management, PCM, is equipped with augmented reality navigation and voice commands. Adaptive cruise control, active lane tracking system, and night vision provide safety and driving convenience. The Cayenne went all-terrain with an adaptive cooling system, permanent all-wheel drive, and off-road driving modes. Starting price is around $80,000. Audi RS Q8 2025. The 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces 591 horsepower and 800 newton-meters of torque. With the Quattro four-wheel drive system and 8-speed automatic transmission, the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour speed was reached in just 3.8 kilometers. The maximum speed is up to 305 kilometers per hour with the dynamic package. The RS Q8 dazzles with its sporty and muscular lines. The wide grille with honeycomb pattern, matrix LED headlights, and 22-inch alloy wheels offer an aerodynamic design. The dual exhaust outlet and dynamic spoiler at the rear attract attention. The RS Q8 is equipped with premium features and high technology. Valcona leather seats, carbon fiber details, 12.3-inch virtual cockpit screen, and Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system take driving pleasure to the top. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane tracking, and 360-degree camera offer complete safety. Audi's MMI touch response system features a touchscreen and augmented reality navigation. Thanks to adaptive cooling temperature and all-wheel drive, the RS Q8 delivers superior performance both on and off the pavement. Starting price is around $125,000. Ferrari Purosangue 2025. The 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine produces 715 horsepower and 716 newton-meters of torque. With 8-speed dual-spoke features, it reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. With a maximum speed of 310 kilometers per hour, Purosangue offers unique performance for an SUV. Its aerodynamic design, reflecting Ferrari's DNA, offers a sporty and elegant appearance. The long hood, side air intakes, and 22-inch alloy wheels reveal both the aggressive and luxurious operations of the vehicle. The double-deck diffuser and thin LED taillights attract attention in the background. Purosangue combines Ferrari's typical driver-oriented cockpit design with modern SUV comfort. Sports seats, carbon fiber details, 10.2-inch digital screens, and premium leather upholstery complete the elegance. The 4-person seating arrangement and large luggage space offer practicality. With an all-wheel drive system, adaptive comfort, and driving modes that adapt to difficult road conditions, the Purosangue offers off-road driving without sacrificing performance. Starting price is around $400,000. Range Rover Sport 2025. Range Rover Sport SVP 635 offers 635 horsepower and 750 newton-meters torque with its 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. With its 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive system, it reaches 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. Dynamic driving mode provides superior performance in asphalt and off-road conditions. Sport SV has a stylish and aggressive exterior. Carbon fiber details, 23-inch alloy wheels, matrix LED headlights, and special SV design combination exhibit a powerful stance. Aerodynamic elements complement modern quality, luxury and technology together. Driving comfort is taken to the next level with special SV leather upholstery, carbon fiber coatings, 13.1-inch Pivi Pro infotainment screen system, and Meridian signature sound. Heated, cooled, and massage seats are the key to your journey. Range Rover's Terrain. Response 2 system perfectly adapts to different ground conditions. Adaptive cooling system and four-wheel drive provide high performance even on difficult terrain. Starting price is around $140,000. Toyota Land Cruiser 2025. The new Land Cruiser combines classic, durable, modern, and elegant details. It offers a powerful and stylish appearance with LED headlights, vertical grille design, and 20-inch alloy wheels. It produces 409 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters torque with its 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. Equipped with a 10-speed automatic transmission and permanent four-wheel drive system, this vehicle provides a perfect balance for difficult off-road conditions and urban use. The vehicle meets luxury: leather seats, wood and aluminum details, 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and JBL sound system increase driving pleasure. The spacious interior provides comfort to all passengers on long journeys. Land Cruiser continues to be the leader of its class with lockable differentials, adaptive solution system, and multiple off-road driving modes. It challenges all types of terrain with its water crossing capacity and difficulties on difficult slopes. The starting price is approximately $85,000. Ford Everest 2025. The muscular and modern appearance that offers Ford Everest draws attention with its wide front grille, LED matrix headlights, and 20-inch alloy wheels. It becomes an ideal vehicle for adventure enthusiasts. Ford Everest produces 250 horsepower and 600 Newton-meters torque with its 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine. With its 10-speed automatic transmission and four-wheel drive system, it offers high performance both in the city and in difficult off-road conditions. Everest has a stylish interior that combines comfort and convenience. The 12-inch touchscreen, leather seats, dual-zone automatic air conditioning, and panoramic sunroof make journeys more enjoyable. It offers seating capacity for up to 7 people thanks to its 3-row seat arrangement. Locking differentials, low-speed torque control, and 800mm water-fording depth support. Everest reliably even in the most difficult off-road conditions. There are special towing hooks and solid underbody protection plates for off-road doubts. The starting price is around $55,000. Volkswagen Tayron R-Line 2025. The R-Line package emphasizes the sporty spirit of the Tayron. More aggressive bumpers, a grille with gloss black details, LED headlights, and 20-inch alloy wheels give the vehicle a dynamic look. The Volkswagen Tayron R-Line offers 265 horsepower and 370 Newton-meters torque with its 2.0-liter turbocharged TSI engine. Equipped with a 7-speed DSG programming and 4-motion wheel four-wheel drive system, this vehicle provides a strong performance in both urban and long-distance driving. The interior, which offers a premium experience, draws attention with sports seats, leather, and Alcantara upholstery. The 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and 15-inch infotainment screen offer a modern cockpit. Tayron offers a large luggage volume of 650 liters. With the foldable rear seats, this area can be expanded up to 1,800 liters, making it ideal for families. The starting price is around $45,000.